Hello guys and welcome to the Mockcast, the baddest podcast in Jamaica. Me Keisha and this is Shirley and we are the baddest in the city. Yeah girl, so today guys we have a new guest, Dirty Boy CJ, wow. There man guys, but there man. Shirley, you good? Yeah me good. Dirty Boy, you couldn't ask me if me good too. Sorry Keisha, you good? You good? Yeah, me alright. Okay, so let's get started. So CJ, who are you as a person? Let the people know who you are. My name is CJ Palmer, I grew up in Kingston. And work at call center. Giving broke. I'm going to tell you. Okay, so CJ, what's your horoscope? What's your sign? Me not know. When you born? November 28. Sagittarius. Grasses. Awa. Not like not tall, not dark shit. Me ex the Sagittarius. Me say boy, me with the money. The boy couldn't buy me a case if me full me gun. If you tell a girl them mean. Can your ex mean that means me mean too? You know a dark shit. Argument done. So CJ, what's your favorite color? Blue. Man, we like blue can give on your cigar. With you, girl. Okay, so CJ, are you a virgin? The question is not too personal. Yes, man, it's a very good question. Don't you, Keisha? Yes, man, very good question, man. Yes, very good question. Yeah, I don't feel comfortable answer the question there. It's too personal. I don't answer that. Yeah, my virgin. Okay, so CJ, are you single? Yes, I'm single. Are you seeing any girls at the moment? No. You gay? Ask him now. So CJ, you gay? What? How can I question that? Okay, you say you're single and you not see no girl. I am a virgin, so we are. Who tell us I'm a virgin? Well, I saw you move, so I saw that, yo. Watch out. CJ, come back now.